Welcome to HTML. HTML is made up of things called tags. Tags start with a less than symbol, and then the name of the tag, which I'm just going to put in tag here, and then a greater than symbol. That's the start tag. Then there's an end tag also. My code editor automatically completes the end tag right here, but I'm going to show you what the end tag looks like, so I'm going to take it out. The end tag is pretty much the same thing. Starts with the less than sign, but it has a slash between the less than sign and the name of the tag, and then it has that greater than sign. Inside the tag, you put data, or whatever you want to put in there. So, different types of tags are for different kinds of data that go inside. And some tags don't have an end tag, they just look like this. Tags without the end tag, you usually put a slash in there right between the name of the tag and the greater than sign. But I usually never do that because I don't think it's necessary. I don't see what it benefits you. So let's talk about some of the main tags in HTML. Well, when you're doing HTML, there's one tag that you must put in on the very top of your page of code here or whatever, and that's the less than sign. Then you put an exclamation mark, and then in capitals you do doc type, and then put a space, and then HTML, not in capitals, and then the greater than sign. That goes on the first line in all your pages of code in HTML. And then next is the HTML tag, which you put all your HTML code inside it. So your less than sign, HTML, and your greater than sign. And then I'll put enter, and it automatically indents it here. And inside here you need to put two tags. There's the head and the body tags. Inside the head tag there's a title tag. And inside the title tag you type in a title of the page, and I'm going to say it tags. I'm going to make it tags. And then the title tag, whatever you type in the title, is what shows up in the tab that's inside the browser. Have you ever gone to a website and you see on the tab in the browser you see words and maybe a little picture, and those words you see up here is typed in the title tag. So that's how you do that. And there's a couple of tags inside the body tag that you can put in for different types of text. There's the header tags, which start with an H, and then a number from 1 to 6. So there's the H1, I'm going to put an H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6 here. And each one of these has a header. I'm going to type in something here. I'm going to type in header 1. Each header has a different size. The H1 and H2 and H3, H4, H5, and H6, they're all different sizes. H1 is biggest and H6 is smallest. And header 2. Header 3, and then header 4, header 5, and header 6. Alright, and then there's another tag in here, which is a paragraph. Inside the paragraph, I'm going to type text. So now I'm going to preview this. There's our preview over here. This is the H1, this is the H2, this is the H3, this is the H4, this is the H5, This is the H6, and this is the paragraph. So see how they're each different there. It's interesting how the H6 is smaller than the paragraph. I'm not very sure why of that, but you know, if you ever want really small text, you can use an H6 instead of a paragraph. Or you can just use font size and CSS to make your paragraph smaller. We'll talk about that more later on. So let's get rid of that. Also, in here I'm gonna type in text is cool, all in different lines there inside that paragraph. I'm gonna preview this again, and you see they're not separate like I made them over here. You know, they're not on separate lines, but that's because line breaks in the code are completely ignored. But how you can fix that is you can use BR tags. BR tags are one of those tags that don't have any end tag. And you see there we have it, text is cool. And these BR tags don't have to be on real line breaks in the code, because you can type text and then BR and then is and then BR and then cool, and it's all in the same line in the code, but over here it's on different lines. So now you see how that works. Alright, so those are your basic text tags, and for paragraphs you can actually just type in here text BR is BR cool, and you get the same effect, but you can't style it later with CSS. We'll get into that more later. So it's best that you put whatever regular paragraphs not just right in the middle of the code, but inside P tags. So those are the basic HTML tags.